Alright, y'all. We got Young Posse 8 that MV coming up right here. Well, check this out. When did this come out? Literally a day ago. From the teasers and everything, it's like a GTA. It feels like a GTA like game. Like they're in a GTA game. We're getting Young Posse 8 that before GTA 6 is crazy. So comment down below if you ever played a GTA game. To be honest, I would love to play the new GTA 6 on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch if you haven't. We play games over there. Currently, right now, I'm playing the new Five Nights at Freddy. That's been scary. But without further ado, let's check out Young Posse 8 that MV in 3, 2, 1, bop. Oh, 4 + 4 is 8. Ooh. Hey, rolling up to the Venice Beach in a low ride. Ooh, what? Is that Arnold Schwartz? Okay, okay, muscles. The reaction, there's no reaction. Wait, let me see. I've never been in a lowrider. You got no reaction to that? For real? Oh, okay. Massive. Oh, massive donuts. They use that same person. Secret recipe. Oh, like the mission is, oh, everything's like the video game. That's fire. That's fire. Woo! It's literally like 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg, Dr. Dre's out the door. Oh, literally West Coast type of ish. Wait, cleanly 8, 3 into the 4. Okay, they got the Dodgers, Kobe Bryant, 7, 8. Ah. Damn, damn. What the hell? I wish I could like eat donuts like that. Don't call it a call, bro. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre's out the door. Woo. Hey. Okay. Wait, what? Like a hunting cat stay on the low low? Ah. Nothing but a pee thing, baby. What the hell? Oh, they got 2 stars. Oh my god. Oh! Is this the... They literally a video game. Bro, this just makes me want to play GTA. It's giving 4 + 4. Hey, hey, 4 + 4. Hey. Who need out quick math? What are they making? Wait. Find the freezer. Cleanly 8 that. Block busted? Oh my gosh, shout out to Blockbuster. They really all up West Coast. This is literally Dr. Dre-ish. Woo! Woo! Oh, just like the game. That's crazy. Okay. Hey, look, eyes on the road. I don't give up. It's the motto. Okay. Damn, I should not sing. What? Oh, from the last music videos. Oh, is that the same grandma? It's so random. Okay, wheelie. Posse piece. Okay. Get the boogie on the flow. Not the NPCs dancing to. Are they? Damn, they drifting. It's giving. Hate that sis. All right. What's happening? Oh, he's going too hard. The money's flying. Excuse me, but that was cake? They stole a bunch of cake. The secret recipe. Not the PSP. Bro, this reminds me when I used to play the PSP in my high school with my friends while not paying attention to school. Don't learn from me. Hold up. But shout out to the PSP. Oh! Ate that. Bro, we got this way before GTA 6. It's crazy. What the hell? Literally heavily inspired by West Coast. Wait, who directed this? Hold up. Let me double check. Ben and Jerry. Ben Prolux and Jerry Shin. Oh, okay. But it's basically obviously heavily inspired by Ain't Nothing But a G Thing, or just West Coast in general, and GTA all in one. My God, like literally, kind of like from San Andreas and a bit from like GTA like 5 as well. If you guys ever played that, but this music video is so interesting. I feel like all the music videos has been very like unique. It's definitely a director we've never really like known in the K-pop space, so it's so different. Young Posse, ate that. 4+4. What you know? Put a comment down below what you guys think of the music video, the song, and just Young Posse in general. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to follow the Patreon. It is free. You can follow for free. Just letting you know, I upload videos though for free if it's blocked on YouTube. Sometimes my videos get blocked on YouTube and I can't do nothing about it, so I just put it over there for free. Also, I'm part of Ultimate Bias K-Pop Cast. Be sure to check it out. We have DPR Ian's episode out. We have I Am from Monster X episode out. So link in the description. Go check it out. Yeah, y'all follow me on my socials. Instagram and TikTok is at JREAMERS. And y'all have a blessed day. All right, y'all? Till next time, everybody. Peace. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.